Here's a game learning about sounds. We have animal sounds, we have object sounds, and they each have a word that says the sound, which some of them I didn't even know. So I even learned as my little boy played this game. Lions, well, I made it, but I had to find it on internet first. Some are very common. For example, lions. Okay, well, you can either pick one of these and then match it to these are little bells and with little shorts. Quack. Who quacks? Oh, ducks quack. So you just put the little belt on top of his little shorts like that. I think we made this game on our clothes theme week. So, therefore we used little clothes. Honk. Ooh, what honks? Horns honk. Hiss. What goes hiss? It's the snakes. What else? Tick-tock. What's that noise? What goes that? Clocks. Anyway, I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. If you would like to download this game and make it for your child, you'll find it on my website at earlylearningathome.com. You can try it out and see if your little child enjoys it in practicing with his sound